Hello friends, welcome to my little kitchen. This is me again and this is Mai.
Hi.
Today we'll be making Jambo. It's a chocolate recipe and it is applied for you.
The ingredients required are Marie biscuits, sprinklers, these are colorful, these are silver balls, jam of your choice, dark compound half cup and milk compound half cup and wrapping paper. In a pan, we have kept water to boil. Over this, we place a glass ball. To this, we add half cup of dark chocolate and half cup of milk chocolate. Now, let's melt this. It will take just 5 minutes to melt. Now let's remove it. Be careful. Yes, now the chocolate has melted. Now let's take the biscuits and apply jam. Okay, Andu, now make a sandwich. Put this biscuit on this. Yes, good. Now we'll make one more.
This is gonna taste amazing. Alright then.
Yes, please sandwich it.
Now we're done.
Okay, now we are going to dip these biscuits
In the chocolate.
Now let's dip the sandwich biscuit in the melted chocolate. In the same way, we are going to dip the remaining jam sandwich biscuits. Now we are going to sprinkle. Anandik, please can you sprinkle? Now we are going to refrigerate this for 5 to 10 minutes.
Now our Jambo is ready. Now we are gonna wrap them in these golden wrappers.
So let's wrap it, Anandi.
Yep.
Okay, keep it.
All get it.
Wrap it, Anandi.
It's a bit hard. Now these are all ready.
Our Jambo dessert is ready. Make this gift your parents, your friends on their birthday parties, or just make it for yourself on a Sunday evening or morning. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe and also hit the bell icon for our next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Bye.